Okay, so you guys are wondering what happened. My brother came home way too early, so I had to close the game to talk to him and stuff. Anyways, let's see what we got today. Hey, amiga, I left you a little gift. It's not homemade, and it's not pie, and it's not homemade pie. But I thought I would like it all the same. Shame about the pie, though. Alright, let's clean up and get ready for tomorrow. Alright, let's see if you guys can do the math. No way! A wheelbarrow. Despite the backpack technology making many manual hauling devices, obviously wheelbarrows persist for their advanced ability to get one and go wee. Alright, that's another one down. I forgot about you! You didn't track on the map? I forgot all about that, Gordo. Crap. I need to start collecting fruits real fast. We'll also find more oil. Oh, there's one. Alright, let's head home. It was right there, plain and simple on the map. How did I miss that? Ow! How'd you sneak up behind me? Holy crap. We might as well gather all these up. That's better. Wait, what the heck? A tangle! Where'd my strange diamond go? Where's my strange diamond? Did I seriously just lose my strange diamond? You gotta be kidding me. All because I wanted to explore. Well, I now live with regrets. But yeah, first the planet one, now Tangle. Like, are those just rare that come out of nowhere? We can sell these. And donate these. And now the boom plorts. I need to get some new boom slimes because now I finally have something that can go with them. Hey guys. Oh, oh no. The one you were wandering off. That's better. I could probably make a new one here. But the question is, who do I want to put in there with them? But yeah, see, look, right here. A pink Tangle Largo. Where's the Tangle Slime at? Like, I'm so confused. I wish I could bring it home with me, but it sucks that I can't. But if I get something to eat... I get another. And you. Another. Now I just need to find the perfect breed to mix with them. But, ooh, there's more. Is there even a Tangle slot? I'm here. Nope. Perfect. I need to find more before they're gone. Dang. There's one. Dang it. Oh my god. Oh no, you don't. Are you serious? Ow. You guys are so lucky at all water power right now. Ow. Man, these guys are... Oh. Ow. Okay. Yes. Wild honey, thank God. Now it's 3 enough to feed the rest of you. Nope, but you're about to pop like a balloon, so we'll be back next time. Thanks, guys. Alright, let's donate the wild honey, the puddle plorts, and then get these underway. Go ahead. There we go. But I'm gonna guess to eat mangoes. Or as they say, nectar and me. Oh yeah. That's the question now. No clue. I'm sure we'll figure it out. But I guess we just sell these suckers. And I'm back. Alright, now let's get to that baddie slime. Gordo, what do you want to call him? Right after I get the chickens some purpose. Yeah, these 40 should do it. Perfect. Now let's head off. Are you serious? It was right. I didn't see that. I'll be right back. I'm doing the sucker, finishing that thing off. Perfect. Now the question is, does it give me 2? It does, thank God. What do I have in my... I don't have any more teleporters. Noted. But that's okay. We're gonna do the baddie first. Then... Okay, we're back. Now, let's... Ooh, gotta be careful. Watch it, you guys. I'm trying to feed our friend here. Oh, wow, you're hungry. Wait, is this dude damaging me? Back off, all of you. Sheesh. Oh. Well, that was creepy. Oh, go away. Now let's let you guys off. There we go. Now what's down here? You have got to be kidding me. That was a shortcut to here? Hey, little guy. Might as well share. Sorry. Now, question is, can I find some wild honey before I go back? Or some other supplies I can grab real quick, like lava dust? Yes, thank you, thank you. Or that's a drone. Ooh, that is loud. Nothing at all over here. I never managed to conclude if the prismal waves caused all this lava to erupt to the surface, but I believe it did. The rainbow grass is a resident rock. All lovely to see, and the ecosystem seems to coexist with to some degree. But this lava, this is the breaking point. My guess is that it started like it always does. It creeps up a few degrees over the years, and you hardly notice, and then one day you realize you're cooking. Ugh, I wish I had a dog to pet right now. You had a drone? Don't those count? I'm guessing that's another radiant ore. Hello, my little friends. Alright, more lava dust. Oil, radiant ore, and puddle parts. Awesome! We're getting somewhere. Nice. We'll place the one right here. You place the two-way teleporter. Yes, I now know this. And that looks kind of dope. Now, onward, back to the island. Oh, they didn't all respawn. And it doesn't. Hold on. Ooh. Okay, the tar music is kind of ruining the effect of this. The breach is so much smaller now. It fills me with hope. I remember when I first found it, I just walked right into the labyrinth. I began exploring the endless gray halls, not even understanding what was really happening. But it's not so easy. This time, whatever I do, I need to shut the door tight behind me. I can't let it all happen again after coming this far. Click it, please. Thank you. So that's where the portal was. And I just need a diamond again. Now here's my question. Is there anywhere else I can go here? That's amazing. No way. Yeah, there's no way I'm making that. So that explains what this doorway was for. To get out and get on around again. So, if that's right, then that's all the Gordos. Which means I didn't need this anymore. Or can I go to this now? Can I go through it? That's the question, because if I do... Okay, message. I'm hoping that you got something for me to help. Hey, Bia, I just wanted for you to try it, and to be honest, if it works, I'm going to be super creeped out. I created a blueprint of a key, a special archive key for this drones you've been finding. If any artificial data exists in them, there should be a way to access it. I say should because I actually have no idea, but if those drones are from the pages of my journals, well, this key is how I would access the archives if I ever built anything like them. I know this hardly makes sense, but I need you to try it. If it works and an archive exists and it somehow allows you to understand what's happening on the island more than you know, well, I'm happy to have been able to help you. I kind of owe you one right right? I didn't say that. I just made a stupid key and don't tell me yet if it works or not. Because if it does, I really don't think I'm ready to deal with knowing that. Later, Tater, and good luck. Okay, so I gotta make one, or did you give me it? That's the question. Yep, I gotta make it, and I need 2 more fire plorts. Oh my gosh. Oh, wait. To the fire plorts. Perfect, just enough. Hang on when I do that. Here you go, guys. Eat a lot more. Clean this up. Nice work. Yeah. That was only one tool left I gotta make, and a few more upgrades. But other than that, we should be able to get the drones done. Ooh, you guys are hungry. Or I was gone way too long. Alright, now, let's get the food, the rest of them. Another message already? Gotta make this fast then. Let's sell these. Don't eat these. I can't believe I missed that. Alright, let's head back. Hey Mika, how are you feeling out there? When I feel lonesome, I go out and try to make friends. Makes me feel right as rain. Thanks. Okay, well, in the next one, we're going to start going back to find all those drones again. Or, actually, let me try something. We know there's one right up here. Let's see how this works. I got the idea for the conservatory from a history book I had as a kid. I thought it was so lovely the way that you could be inside it but feel like you were in the world outside at the same time. I wish I had something like this back home. Maybe then I wouldn't always have had to run off to look for plants and mushrooms. Maybe I would have been closer to them. I see. But now I gotta find every single drone again and access them. Wait, what? Oh wow, really? Alright, in the next one, we're gonna see if we can do that. Also, we're gonna head back to Starlight Strand, and honestly, I wanna see if I can go through that portal, because why not? I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. Your choice, not mine. I will see you all next time.